ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. In the last class we learned about the sajatiya vattakshara pada, right? So a similar baby, a similar letter with a similar baby with the mother letter. Vijatiya Vattakshara, which is Vijatiya Vattakshara, the baby letter with a different mother is a Vijatiya Vattakshara. I'm really sorry about the background noise. Today we are going to learn the pronunciation of a Vijatiya Vattakshara letter and the words. So first we'll go with the letter, very important, very basic, most important thing. So if you miss this, you will miss the pronunciation. Spelling mistake will be more, your writing mistake will become more if you don't understand this, if you don't practice this session. This class is a very, very important class. Okay, so we'll start this one. It's very simple. The only thing is listen carefully, little bit of more concentration and focus. Parents, please do help the children. If they are below 6 or 7, please help them. Okay, so let's start. So I already told you, this is what I call a Vijatiya Vattakshara, right? So where the mother is with a different. Okay, so now I have a K. K, I have given a R baby. How do I pronounce this? This is not a Kara. So how will I write Kara if I want to write Kara? This is how I write Kara. If I want to write Kar, I'll write like this. Alba, you can't write like this. Can you write like this? This won't become Kar. Why? Because Arkavali always need not the previous letter but the before letter support. So this letter support does not make any pronunciation in the Arkavali. We know this already. Okay. So I cannot pronounce this Akara. I cannot pronounce this Kar. How do I pronounce this? So very important. Take a half pronunciation from here. So this is a Kar, right? And this is a Ra. Okay? Take a one letter from here, which is K. How do you pronounce this now? Kra. Very good. From the top you take half. Here you will take full letter. That's it. Simple. Let's try the different one now. How do we do this one? So we have a two letter here, right? G and a Ra. So together it will be Gra. Simple. Yes, that's it. So now this one, you have a Sa, you have a Ra, together Sra. Perfect. Now, I have a Sha ge Yavattu. Sha ge Ya baby. This Sha ide, ili Ya ide. So, Shya. Perfect. Next two. Ta ge Navattu. So, ili Ta ide, ili Na ide. Tna. Tna. Half the. Tna. Tna. Perfect. Okay. Next one. Ka ge Tavattu. Ka ide, Ta ide. Together. Kta. Kta. Say up. So silent the sound. Kta. Easy to pronounce. Ak. Ta. Kta. So make sure shouldn't be heard by anyone. Kta. Okay. So this is how the pronunciation. So always do this one. So do this combination. So it will be very easy for you to pronounce the letter. So this is very basic, very, very important. Tumba mukhya. Mukhya andre important. Okay, let's take a few examples and work on that one now. I'll say the letter pronunciation. Ka ge Yavattu. Yeah. Sa ge Mavattu. Sma. Na ge Ravattu. Dra. Very good. Ta ge Navattu. Tla. Ba ge Navattu. Bna. Very good. Then I take La ge Vavattu. Lva. So you can start with Halva. Halva. Okay. So ha silent ಮಾಡಿ. Lva. Lva. Okay, that's it. Very good. Next to that's it. Enough, I guess, right? Now you are comfortable with this one. Okay, so do this permutation combination for all the letters. Simple one is a ravattu. Kra, gra, tra, 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 pra, gra, bra, shra, tron, ron, ra. Anything. Similarly, la, kla, gla, kla, chla, tla, tla, pla, mla, tla, la, like this. Okay, so you can try it like this. Now let's go to the words of this one. So I hope you remember this combination. Do this one. Okay, we'll go with the words now. Most important thing, I'll take another few more minutes. We'll complete this one. So first one, va jage ravattu. Va jage ravattu. Vajra. Very good. Next two. Sa sage yavattu. Sa, this one. Sya, sasya. Very good. Next one. Gage ravattu. I'll take Adoti. Agra, agra. Very good. Next one, I'll take Ra kage tavattu. Ra ta, rakta. Okay, split mind, very important split. So if you are still not getting this one, I'll give one more technique for you. So I'll use a vajra itself. Okay, so this is the one. So what do you call this? Va. How do you split this? Jra. So put it together. It's a vajra. Okay, it will take some days. Slowly, take it slowly. Okay, na? So this is the main important pronunciation part of the Vijatiya Vattakshara Pada. Okay, so take this slowly. After this, we learn Kagunita. Once we learn Kagunita, we can frame n number of words and sentences. It will be comfortable for you to read and learn the new words also. Okay, so till then, practice this. You take the level 1 practice book. Practice from the book. Parents, please do help the children to practice in the level 1 practice book. They'll get comfortable slowly. Give them some time. After this class, we will be doing the Kagunita. Okay, na? So be ready for the Kagunita. Learn all these techniques. Learn all these basic foundation words. Then we'll go to the Kagunita. Okay. So thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next class. And the doubt idre enadru comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ or write an email to me for the link of the books. Please do check in the description box. If you don't get it, you can write a email to me or you can comment in the comment section. I'm really sorry for the background noise and voice and all those things. I'm really sorry about that one. Meet you in the next class. Thank you so much. Namaskar.